Hello, it's John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 27th of July. Starting with Bitcoin this morning. We've seen the big one wave up from 3,000 up to around 14,000, so a very solid move, followed by a very clear ABC with C coming in pretty much precisely where C equals A, bar about 70 or 80 points. So since then things have got a little less clear. I mean, the 5 of it up there was okay. But this decline has gone on and on, as it were. And now, rather than seeing an impulsive rally, we're seeing what looks like an ABC type move, which shouldn't really be following a 5-wave advance. So all a bit confused at the moment. I think, given that we haven't seen a clearly impulsive move up from here, if this was a key low, then I would have expected a much clearer pattern than we're seeing. So I expect this really is a B wave, which may want to do one more rally. Perhaps up to the level where B would equal C, C would equal A, and that would come in at 1160 thereabouts, so around this level here, and then perhaps see another decline, which would really shake up the market, I think, shake out a lot of people, and then set the scene for the expected rally. I mean, given that things aren't very clear at the moment, there are other permutations, but I think that's the most likely one right now. Alright, no change on gold. Since we saw this rally here, which I'm counting as one of 3, the next move up should be pretty savage, sharp to the upside, I should say. Savage is the wrong word for a rally, I guess. Anyway, A, irregular B. So we've got a 3-part rally to new highs, which is a clue that this is actually all a correction. And now I think there's probably a 1, 2. And we're going to see another move down. I think we're going to see a move down around 1365 thereabouts. That's where the breakout came from. So we're going to retest that, I think. So that again will shake people out of the gold market and set the scene for another rally. So gold and Bitcoin seem possibly moving in harmony at this point in time. Both due more downside, shaking people out, and then setting the scene for the next move up. At least that's my expectation right now. Looking at the Dow, we've seen 5 of it up to this new all-time high. Since then we're just going sideways really, so it looks like a correct move of some sort. That could have been a 1 wave. I thought it could be a 1 wave and a rather protracted triangular type of 2 wave perhaps. Rather messy if it is. And this could be a 3rd wave coming perhaps with a correction there. But it's just not very clear, and we are in the holiday season, so things tend to get a bit wishy-washy and exaggerated at this time of year, so I can't say that's a totally reliable pattern. DAX is also rather confusing. Since this C wave low, which looked quite positive, we have seen 5 waves up to there, although they rather overlap. We've got an ABC to new high, suggesting it's actually a B wave, and now perhaps a C wave coming in, so it could be that we're going to see a sharp decline here as a correction at this point in time, but given the state of the equity markets, I mean, they've been going up since 2009. It seems quite possible, that's 10 years ago, over 10 years ago now, that we are due a bigger shakeout really. We saw quite a lot last year, but something more dramatic I think is due. Alright, finally a quick look at silver. Since the November low, we've had this quite clear 5-wave move, ABC2. And now we've got what looks like a 3rd wave coming in, so we've got 1, 2, 1, 2. That could be the end of 3, so possibly we'll do a bit of a correction now, but still some more upside due before that's over. That's all for today. Hope you found the interesting and useful. Back to report on Tuesday for subscribers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.